Hello again, best grade 2 class ever. How are you doing today? Good. Are you ready for a little bit more math? Okay, I think maybe today we should breathe. Not just for math, but just for, everything. Should we try it? Okay, I know you want to. Here we go. We're gonna just take a few deep breaths, okay? I haven't been doing this without you guys. I should be. Okay, today let's not yell it, let's whisper it today, okay? Just to be different. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Math is awesome. Okay, I'm glad to see your smiles right there. Even though I know sometimes you don't love doing your breathing with me, I love to see your smiles. Okay. We are still talking about shapes. I hope you did okay yesterday with the sphere. Today we're talking about a cylinder, and maybe I will just talk about a cylinder and what's the next one? Maybe I'll just talk about a cylinder and a cube today so that you have both of those if you want. You can do them both. You can do it whenever you'd like, but maybe you want to listen to both today. The first thing I think of when I think of a cylinder is a soup can. So I have my can of my can of chunky soup. And cylinders don't have to be like this. They can be tall and narrow, so they can be short and they can be short and wide. The trick to a cylinder is that it has a circle on the top, a circle on the bottom, and then a curved, almost like a rectangle, but wrapped around for the middle. Okay, so we are being asked on our books again today to figure out how many edges, how many faces, and how many vertices this shape has. So let's start with edges. Let's just remind ourselves what an edge is. So an edge is anywhere where two surfaces meet. Okay, so this is a surface, this is a surface, even though it's actually a face, and this is also a surface, okay? Where these two meet, do you see this edge? How close? Let me show you. Do you see the edge that it makes where they meet? It's like a continuous corner, so it's not a point, but it's where they meet, so it makes an edge. So if you want to pause me right now, go and get a soup can, go and get any kind of cylinder you can find and bring it back, or use your plasticine and make a cylinder. Pause me and do that so that you have something to hold and look at and touch to figure out the rest of these questions, okay? So if you have that already, I want you, you probably can tell now if you have one with you that there's one edge that goes around on this end and there's one edge that goes around on this end, okay? There are no edges around here, so how many edges does that make? 2, yes. Okay, so there are 2 edges on a cylinder. Now it wants to know how many faces. So how many flat shapes are on this 3D shape? 1 circle on that end and 1 flat circle on that end. Okay, so this is not a flat face. So you have 1 on each end. That makes how many faces? You bet. 2. Okay, and last thing they want to know for a cylinder are how many vertices it has. So how many points or corners do you see on this shape? Or on the shape you have in front of you? If you are saying 0, you are absolutely correct, because there are no points, there are no vertices on a cylinder. Okay, so 0. And now, same as yesterday, they want you to color, it says, but I'm fine with circling. They want you to color the cylinders below And then they want you to trace and draw your own cylinders at the bottom, and then find the path of cylinders over here. And that's it for today, just one shape a day, okay? So actually I won't record two, I'll just leave it as one so that I don't get you guys all mixed up, okay? Okay, I'm not sure why I'm still looking at that. Okay, I will talk to you tomorrow. Good luck, grade 2.